5 websites for data entry jobs coming right up. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Millard Brady here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you my top 5 websites where you can make money by just data entry, and it's probably one of the most requested or search a way for you to make money online, especially if you're just staying home or if you are into retirement. This is a one way for you to make an extra money on the side. And before we go on to the video, on this channel I'll show you how to make money online, and we're going to be talking more about marketing, motivation, and mindset, because these are the 3 things that you need to learn in order to be successful online. If you are interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified of the latest videos that I upload. Alright, so let's go on to the video. So the first website here that I really recommend is called clickworker.com, and I'll be putting all this link on the description down below. So basically here it's like a freelancer type of job where you are flexible based on your time availability. So here, if you go here on this, if you scroll down, there are tons of jobs that you can actually work with. Is that you can create text, data copy editing. There's also surveys, research, proofreading, app testing. You can do a lot of stuff here, and if you are, just having a lot of time on your hands, I think this is the best website for you. So just go here and click, and then just create an account with them. So they will give you a step-by-step instruction on how you can apply with them, and you just need to fill out a short assessment. It's really easy. You don't have to worry about that if you are in America. So you are actually really good, and because of your native language. So but here the only downside is that they only offer this on Germany, France, and in the United States. So hopefully they're going to be open on like the Northern America, like here in Canada. But you can try, right? You can really try. But if you're in the States, you're good here. So this is one website that I recommend that you try if you want to have a data entry job in 2019. Next website is called OneSpace, right? So OneSpace here is it's a platform where you can give reviews and do all data entries job. Right, so what you're gonna do here is that when you go to this website, again the link is gonna be in the description. You go here, freelance resources, all the way on the bottom part. Here you can have English and international language transcriptionist, so you can click here and there. So yeah, you can apply as an English transcription, meaning you're gonna transcribe audios or videos into English words. So that's one type of job that you can get into. Again, the link is going to be on the description. You can apply here. It's a really good website, and they pay you really, really well. All right. Next website is called ToCaptcha.com. Make money online. Here is what you're gonna do here is, remember, if you are sometimes on a website and then when you try to apply or log in, you're gonna see there I'm not a robot or something, or ToCaptcha mode. So basically here is that you're gonna answer all those captcha. So meaning you will see, let's see what's an example here. I don't see any example. So it's like blurted words or letters, and you need to answer them. Right, so that's a way for them to test that if the captcha is good, so meaning it's not really complicated, that it's not gonna get good results. So that's what you're gonna do. So you just need to answer those captchas, and they're gonna have a video here that you can check into. So I'm not gonna play here. Right, I just want to make this video really short, sweet, and simple. So just go here if you want to try this out. The link is gonna be on the description down below, and it's a pretty simple job. It's not really complicated. Anybody can do this actually, right? So that's ToCaptcha.com. So another website is called Rev.com. So basically this website is where you're gonna transcribe audios or videos into caption or to words or into subtitles, right? So basically you're gonna listen to audios and videos, and what I like about this is that it's really pretty simple way to do it. You just have to listen, and then you just need to put them into words, right? So they're gonna actually, when you apply here, right, when you're gonna apply for them, they're gonna ask you to do like a assessment type of quizzes, right? So they're gonna test your English language, or they're gonna test your understanding of the English language. So my advice there is that you have to be really, really patient in answering them. Don't rush into answering all those questions. You have to really take your time and then, you know, understand the question, because they're gonna test you on your usage of you know, the past tense, your usage of all those type of the way you say things, right? So you have to really understand English language. So if you are in other countries that English is not your first language, what I would suggest is that you take your time, right? Just be patient in answering those questions, and you will actually pass their assessment. But they're really good. They pay out really well, and they're really, you know, they are really high quality type of website. So just be patient for them. Just be patient answering the assessment, and you're gonna get in and you're gonna have fun. Just transcribing words from audios and videos, right? So another website that I recommend is called Transcribe Me. So it's the same as Rev.com, but to be honest, Transcribe Me, they pay a little bit more than Rev.com. So if you are applying to Rev, I suggest you apply here as well. So Transcribe Me is the same as Rev.com. You're gonna listen to audios and videos, or watch videos, and then you're gonna transcribe them into words and enter into the subtitles. So it's basically easy. Just go here, get started, and then, you know, just go through the process, and you're gonna be in here, and you know, you're gonna actually make money online. So I hope you get value from this video, and if you do, just let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're new to my channel, I will be, if you get value, please subscribe and like this video as well. It's really help out my channel and to get more reach with my content. All right, so Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.